483 and warning letters. In this tutorial, you will learn about what is FDA Form 483 and warning letters. What's the difference between Form 483 and warning letters? What next to warning letter? What FDA expects from companies? And some questions for your assessment on this topic. So, let's start first with what is FDA Form 483? When the FDA comes in to inspect a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility or CRO, and after the inspection is over, the FDA inspector issued their observations on the FDA Form 483. In other words, a Form 483 is a list of observations made during the inspection that is communicated at the conclusion of the inspection. The FDA calls for a response to the Form 483 observations within 15 working days. The FDA also issues an establishment inspection report, which specifies whether action is required to be taken or not. Now we understand that. What is warning letter? After Form 483 issued by the inspector at site on completion of inspection, FDA give chance to that firm to give response to 483 observations issued and to explain the corrective and preventive actions taken by the firm. If FDA finds that the response to 483 observations are not satisfactory, and if there is a significant violation of the regulations, agency may issue a warning letter to the firm based on the nature of the violation. The warning letter is issued by the agency and not by the investigator. A warning letter indicates that higher FDA officials have reviewed the observations and they found serious non-compliances. When the FDA issues a warning letter, this becomes a more serious situation. These letters should be taken very seriously and answered within the required time frame. This is about the Form 483 and warning letter. Now we discuss what is the difference. Form 483 and warning letters are two different documents, which are issued by US FDA and have different regulatory and legal perspective. Form 483s and warning letters both are public information. However, Form 483s are difficult to obtain quickly and usually not published immediately after issuance, while warning letters are published upon issuance and promptly posted on FDA's website given here. Here are some more differences. FDA 483 lists observations made by the FDA inspector during the inspection of a facility, while the warning letter is issued by the agency and not by the investigator. 483 are inspectional observations and do not represent a final agency determination regarding firm's compliance. A warning letter indicates that higher FDA officials have reviewed the observations and they found serious violations. The FDA 483 can be amended after an inspection by the investigator who issued it and may reissued. Warning letters, on the other hand, usually result from multiple lacking responses to issued 483s or other issues, which are much more serious that require quick attention. This was all about the differences. Now, what next to warning letter? If the FDA feels the responses are unsatisfactory, they may take further actions to ensure compliance. The further actions include import alert and consent decree. We will discuss in detail about import alert and consent decree in our next tutorial. If you still not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it so that you will not miss out our future tutorials. Now we will discuss about what FDA expects from the industry. FDA expectation to give the warning letter is to give the chance to that firm to take voluntarily corrective and preventive actions and to immediately comply with the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. However, in future, if FDA observes that previous or similar violations have not been corrected by the firm, FDA may take the regulatory action even without further notice, which may include seizure, injunction, and civil penalties. However, FDA can take the enforcement action even without issuing the warning letter, as there is no prerequisite to issue warning letter before taking enforcement action. That's it about the 483 and warning letter. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please give thumbs up if you like this video and share it. We will be happy if you share your feedback about this tutorial in comment box below. Also tell us on which topic you want to watch the next video. Please comment. Now, it's time to check your knowledge. I am requesting you to read the questions carefully and give your answers in comment box below. Your time starts now.